Hello, welcome back. This video is a collection of the latest 5 favourite websites that I've got on the end of my other videos, so sit back and enjoy. So today's is summary.com. If you've got a really long article that you really can't be bothered reading through, just copy the URL, go to summary, paste it in there, click summarise. What that'll do is it'll take that really long read that you've got, summarise it into just a few paragraphs. So the next one is CSV Viewer. This is a free download, allows you to view your CSV files. So if you don't have Office or anything like that, you're not viewing them in Excel, you could download this and you can see a little screenshot there. So download it and enjoy. The next video is Google Scholar, is scholar.google.com. Basically, you can look up other people's articles on various different things. If we just paste that in, retro gaming, video game nostalgia, look for articles on this, and we can pick up what people have written before. So we'll have a look at the past and the history. So you can see that somebody's written a document here. Next one up is alternative2.net. This is a way of finding free software for the paid ones as an alternative. So we're going to type in Visio. We want Microsoft Visio because it's a handy thing to have for all your charting needs. We're going to find alternatives to that, and there's 110. Let's see, Lucid Chart, diagrams.net, so you can just pick one of those and start using those. Another handy one to have is Word. Let's have a look what we've got for Microsoft Word as the equivalent to. And we've got lots of different ones, LibreOffice. The next website is ilovepdf.com. And this is a site that will convert, give you various different tools all to do with the PDF files. So you can unlock them, you can export them, add watermarks on or take them off. There's all sorts of things that you can do with it. For select merge, just to give you an idea what it is, you can select your PDF or you can just drop it on there. And there you have it. Thanks. See you next time.